Hey there everybody, it's Jasper with the Boys and Girls Club of Contra, Costa. Welcome to another episode where we learn how to make something with zucchini, one of 5 different ways. Today we are actually going to be learning a very versatile method of cooking zucchini, and that is by sauteing a zucchini. Now there's a lot of different ways that we can chop a zucchini and a lot of different flavors that we can add to our recipe, but here's what I got for you guys today. You ready? Let's go ahead and take a look.
Zucchini, 1 clove of garlic, Parmesan cheese, a little bit of oil, your pick, a pan to cook everything in. We're doing our same tip and push and push. Now we're going to cut this up in a diagonally kind of way. So I'm going to find, you see it's all rocking right now. We need that to rock, so we're going to cut along the length of this guy. So, ready? Do that. You're looking for these kind of square cuts. Go and do that with the rest of your zucchini. Put that into a bowl. We've got our garlic. So go ahead, try to get into a clove with your finger. Just gonna rip it apart. We only need 1, so I'm just gonna keep on ripping it apart until we get 1. Garlic, it's got this little tip, so we're gonna go ahead and very carefully cut off that tip. Up against the side, holding down. Very careful to cut diagonally away from your fingers. Okay. I'm going to do a rocking motion. That's when you take this. Just going to do that a couple times.
Hey there guys, I hope you enjoyed making that sauteed zucchini. It was so good, I don't even have it to show you, but you guys have made it for yourselves. It's super simple, super easy, and you can season it however you want, because you need to remember that the most important ingredient to any recipe is you. All right? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you like this episode, give it a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. All right? Take care, everybody.